Riding helmets reduce the risk of serious head and brain injury by limiting the impact of a collision to the head. KASK quality is a guarantee due to many carefully monitored safety tests and innovative technologies used in the design of the helmets. All KASK products are 100% made in Italy and passed through the most rigorous safety and quality tests. The first part of the testing procedure will determine that riders will always have the maximum area of protection and the correct field of vision. The impact test simulates a fall from a horse and the ability of the helmet to absorb the energy from the impact with the ground. KASK helmet's performance is up to 62% better than the standard requirement. Lateral deformation test simulates a horse falling on the rider's head and the capacity of the helmet to resist under compressive force. The maximum lateral deformation shall be less than 30 mm. KASK performance is 15 mm. The resistance to penetration test simulates the impact with a pointed object and the ability of the helmet shell to block it. The test is considered passed if there is no contact between the striker and the head form. The peak deflection test verifies the behaviour of the peak under load. In case of an impact, the peak needs to be flexible in order to avoid neck trauma. The peak deflection shall be greater than 6 mm, and all KASK helmets successfully pass this test. The retention system strength and effectiveness test measures the ability of the helmet to remain on the head in case of an impact, or in case of a force applied to the helmet that could make it move or even fall from the head. The rotational impact test measures the rotational acceleration from oblique or normal impacts using the algorithm called brain injury criterion, which defines the level of a brain injury, where to a lower number corresponds a lower risk of concussion. The limit is 0.68. KASK result is always lower than 0.35. KASK does not compromise when it comes to quality and safety. Every KASK product you purchase will ensure your satisfaction and safety. Let KASK take you on your next adventure.